In this video, I'm going to show you the top leave tracking tools for tech startups. And also, why do startups even need leave tracking tools to begin with? Well, first of all, everybody starts tracking their leaves and vacations inside spreadsheets. But while your team grows, it becomes unmanageable because there's no version control. People are reaching out to one person only to ask about when they can get the leave and when not. And somebody has to manage this whole madness. And it's going to waste a lot of time. And in startups, you definitely need to move quickly and not waste time on some things that could be automated in better ways. Also, a lot of startups are now starting as remote companies, and this adds another layer of complexity because you might have different countries with different leave laws and different holidays, and you have to keep track of everything. Also, lots of startups started talking about unlimited vacations, and while it seems like a good idea, there are actually lots of problems with it. But one of the main problems is keeping track of those unlimited vacation days. Who took how many? When are people burning out? So as a startup, you want to be smart about it and ditch the spreadsheets and start using a tool that actually saves you time. So these are the tools that I recommend. First of all, it's vacationtracker.io, and of course I'm a bit biased here, but that's because I know this is the best tool for startups. It's specifically built for teams who are just growing out of the spreadsheets and want something that easily manages and automates everything they're doing in terms of leave tracking and holiday tracking. And one of the best things about Vacation Tracker is that it works inside Slack, in Teams, and also with Google Workspaces. So for example, if your team is using Slack, you can pull all of the team members in within really simple onboarding flow, and you can start using the tool without even leaving Slack. So adopting this tool can be really easy. Pricing is also really affordable, especially if you compare it with the full HR tools. So definitely check it out. The next tool you might want to check out is Flamingo, but this only works inside Slack. So if you are a Microsoft Teams user, you can't use this one. It looks really nice, and it's specifically built for smaller companies who don't have that many complicated leave policies yet. And they also have really nice and transparent flat pricing, which is a rare thing in HR software. Another tool you might find really useful, especially if you're in UK, is Charlie HR. And this tool also gives you a really good overview of who's on holiday and when, and you can easily automate leave requests and approvals with this. They do offer more features than just leave tracking, so you might not need all of this, and the pricing then might not make sense for you, but check it out, especially if you are in UK. But if you are in US, then you might want to check out Gusto. This is a bigger tool that offers payroll and some other HR features. So if you are running a startup that's scaling really quickly and you know for sure that you're going to need lots of HR features, you will have an HR team working with it really soon as well, then check out Gusto. Otherwise, it might be a bit too big, but it's definitely built for US companies in mind, so it might make sense to you. In terms of pricing, this is definitely way more expensive, but this is just because it adds so many other features like the payroll management on top of leave tracking. So really think through if this is worth the money, because when you grow your company in terms of the team, these expenses get really high really quickly. The next tool is called AttendanceBot. This works in Slack and in Teams. This is usually used with time tracking features as well. So if your company is more focused on client billing and hourly wages, or you just want to keep track of what everyone is doing every hour of the day, then this might be the tool for you. The pricing is also pretty affordable, especially if you want to have those time tracking features on top of leave tracking, but you don't really need all of the other HR features that really take the price to the heights. So with any type of agency model, this makes a lot of sense. So these were the tools that are perfect for tech startups who need to grow quickly, need to save time, but also keep the budget in check. Hope you found this useful, and please check out this other video here as well. Bye!